I'll be showing you how to download and install MetaTrader 4 on macOS, particularly macOS Catalina. I know a lot of people have been having problems installing this and getting MetaTrader 4 running smoothly, so I'll be showing you how to do all of that today. Firstly, you need to go to this website, riskcalculator.app/MetaTrader 4 for Mac. Don't worry, I'll put the link in the description so it will be easier for you guys to download. So on here there is a step-by-step guide, but I just thought I'd do a video as well. So the first step is we want to download a software called Crossover for Mac. So we click that and we hit download, and I've already downloaded here, but I'll just do it again. And you'll see that in your download folder here. And the second thing we want to do is actually download MetaTrader 4, the Windows version. So what we do is go down here, click that download, or if you have a particular broker that you're trading with, go to their website and download their version of MT4. I'll always recommend that. So either one, so you download it from here or from your broker. So the next thing you want to do is open Crossover, the first thing we downloaded. And now here it is. So we can delete the zip folders and install. Double click to install. You'll then see some messages come up. So hit open and move to application folder and allow. Okay. Here you see it installed, and then you want to press this button here and click new bottle. Here we type in MetaTrader 4 and click here Windows 10 64-bit version and click create. Once you see this screen, you need to click install Windows application, and then here type in MetaTrader 4 and allow. Hit continue here and choose installer folder. So here we'll find our MT4 that we downloaded before. So install files from this directory and continue. Install. So this will just continue to install. Hit yes. So this little box will appear. Hit next. Read all the terms. Click next, and we can just hit next here and install and finish. Here it's just installing some other. Once we get here, just hit cancel. It will continue to install. And this is our MetaTrader setup now. So it will look like this, or your own broker version will come up here with their logo. So all we do is hit next, and you should be familiar with these kind of screens. And once that's done, just hit finish, and it will just take you back to here. And we just open this again, and what we do here is skip this step for this. And finally we click done. You'll now see this come up, and open your terminal from clicking here, or it will look a bit different depending where you've downloaded your MT4 from. And here we are, fully installed MetaTrader 4 on your Mac. So you know what to do here. Just log in, existing account, or make a demo, and we're in. Thank you for watching. and please visit the website riskcalculator.app.